Another area we like to cover as far as our quality of milk is the air supply that we use here on the non-electric farms. The air system that we use to push the milk from the Sputnik into the bulk tank. Here we have a system set up as it should be set up. We have two different filter systems, and we have actually two separate shut-off valves. We have one here that we can shut off the whole system, and then we also have an on and off valve here that we can shut the air on and off as we use it on the Sputniks. When you're using the air to your Sputniks, it's recommended that you only use 4 to 12 pounds. I know many like to use a lot more pressure to be able to unload the Sputniks faster, but when you use a lot of air, if there is an air problem, you will really incorporate a lot more bacteria into your milk, and maybe also get your milk to foam. And that's something you really don't want to do. You don't want a lot of foam in your milk, because we can discuss that when we do the bulk tank. So what you have here is your first filter with a regulator. Like I said, it's set at 8 to 12 pounds. This filter is designed to catch your condensation and some dust. As the air enters here, it comes in and goes through the filter from the outside in, and then comes across to what we call a coalescent filter. This filter is designed to catch more of maybe an oil residue and then even some of the finer dust particles. The air comes in here, it goes through the center of the filter and comes out. It is highly suggested that you check this periodically, monthly, quarterly. You'll know when you take these things apart, especially this filter, when you take it out and look in the inside and you see any kind of residues or oil substance in there, it's time to change. Even though you see the outside of the filter staying white, you still validated the inside. So be sure that you're checking these filters on a regular basis. Like I said, I would do it periodically, maybe monthly, get a pattern to see how your air system is working. If your air system's not working, you're getting a lot of residues in here, you need to work with somebody that understands your air system and maybe redesign your air tanks to help you with that. And also, we really suggest that you use a food grade type clear hose. That way it gives you the opportunity to be able to see if there is violations going on and you're getting substance coming through, especially oil substance. You'll see this end being a little discolored. That's coming from probably using iodine as a T-tip because of taking the hose and putting it onto your Sputnik. But overall, the hose looks good, the filters look good, and it's set up and designed the way it needs to be.